Good day, viewers from all over the world. Welcome back to Humble Traders channel. Uh, like it has been our tradition to bring you updates concerning our open positions, and here we are with two instruments which are metals. We've been trading them from last week. We caught some pips, huge pips in them, and then we took second entries. And this is why we are here to explain for you to know the update concerning those entries. As we know, uh, the CY strategy gives you a single signal. First of all, let's look at Palladium. Palladium has finally given us an entry on monthly, because after this month's candle closed, we still have a full body. We have a substantial body of the candle closing above the 9 EMA, and it also broke the 21 period EMA and then pulled back to below the 9 period EMA. We are already bullish Palladium, but we want to be looking for entries. So immediately we closed the first entry, we took another entry. We knew that we almost half knew that there would be retracements, and we just wanted to keep experiencing these retracements so that we can add more confidence to our trading system. And then what happened was what happened was we took the second entry, and since then price has been moving down, and you can all see that it retraced to about the 61.8% level. It's more visible on the weekly chart. You can see it just went to what, below the 61.8 percent fib retracement level, and you can just take it to be 61.8%. That is a strong fib level, and from there on price is showing signs of recovery, but we are still in this trade. We shall hold our positions up to next week and see what happens. And with the coming US presidential election, we just want to be careful and keep our eyes on steadily on the charts to see what happens to price, because anything can happen to price due to these important events happening in the world. So this is this about Palladium, and let's move to platinum and see what it's doing. You can see platinum is doing a similar thing to what palladium did. It also retraced from our point of entry down to 61.8%. You can see it's a way of testing our strategy again using demo funds, so that we will know in case we have real funds and we find ourselves in this kind of position, then we will know what we are expecting to happen. We shall continue testing out these strategies over months, at least 6 months, so we will know how solid this trading system is. This is why if you have a small account, you should just avoid the pullbacks. Avoid pullbacks and rejoin when trend is recovering. Like now, if you look at platinum and palladium, they are both already showing signs of recovery. You can see on the 4 hourly, you already have a close above. Okay, it has not closed, the candle is trading, but the moment you have a close above the 4 hour or the 1 hour, I think 1 hour should already give you an entry. Look at an entry here. There is an entry in so many places here. Look at one entry here, another entry here, and then the candle keeps expanding upwards. If you don't have much funds in your account, like I said, it's very important you learn how to stay out of pullbacks when you are doing the CWA strategy and you are using this trading system in taking your entries. But if you know how to trade pullbacks using another type of strategy, which we haven't taught yet, we may end up teaching how to take counter trends using CWA strategy. But if you already have another trading system that you would wish to what, take counter trends with, then you can trade it and be safe with your funds. But for this CWA strategy, for what we have already explained here, we discourage you from taking what, counter trends. The moment price reached that level, it started to retrace downwards, and we can all see, I think I read somewhere this afternoon that there is a huge loss in the stock market, which could also impact this type of fall, even though these are metals, but because of their pair with the US dollar, there is a high probability that that loss that is happening in the stock market is also partly responsible for the move we are seeing here, because I read that about $953 billion have been wiped off the stock market due to this type of retracements. So you can see there is need to protect your funds. We are here to make money, not to lose it. So please be careful whatever you are doing. But at this point now, I have already opened another position in maybe platinum or palladium, trying to see maybe catch this move back up to our entry and past it. But with the coming elections, anything can happen. We have to be careful with tight stop losses, so that in case this retracement is not yet over, and it may want to dip more into the 90% fib retracement level. So but if this is over, then we should be able to recast, cast our let's say forecast our Fibonacci extension level to see where it is heading to after it has recovered. Excuse me. We may take this next week, trying to see if we can gauge the point that this price is heading to as it is going back upwards. If you're just joining us, this is a humble traders channel. Please like our video, subscribe to the channel, drop comments, and let's engage openly. If there are any contents you would like to see us analyze, any instruments in the market, please drop them in the comment section, and we shall try to address them using this same strategy, because it is the only strategy we are explaining for now on this channel. And we do whatever we do is every day we come, we look at setups, we analyze them, we try to master our entries, trail our profits, and then in the end look for exit strategies that are best for us. So if you like our content, please keep coming back, stay with us, and we shall all head towards profitability together by Allah's grace. Thank you so much. Be safe.